Welcome to this technical guide on the LG Gram. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your LG Gram screen is displaying an error code, it can be quite alarming. This usually indicates a hardware issue that could stem from various components, such as the graphics card or the display itself. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making the repair more complicated and costly. The longer you wait, the more likely you are to face significant issues with your device. For this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement screen or component depending on the error code identified. First, ensure your LG Gram is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws on the back panel. Be sure to keep them in a safe place. Next, gently insert the plastic prying tool into the seam of the back cover, carefully working your way around to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back panel is removed, you will need to locate the faulty component, which is often situated near the display connector. Check for any visible signs of damage or disconnection. If you identify the graphics card or display connector as the issue, carefully disconnect it by gently pulling the cable away from the motherboard, ensuring you do not tug on any surrounding components. Now, remove the screws securing the faulty component in place and carefully lift it out. When replacing it, ensure that the new component is correctly aligned before securing it with screws. Remember to apply moderate pressure; over-tightening can cause damage. After replacing the component, reconnect the display cable, making sure it is firmly seated in its connector. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, reattach the back panel, ensuring it clicks into place. Replace and tighten all screws you initially removed. Before powering on the device, double-check that all connections are secure and there are no loose components. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that your device is kept in a well-ventilated area to avoid overheating, and consider using a surge protector to safeguard against electrical spikes. Regularly update your drivers and operating system to ensure optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.